Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we have something essential for every household: the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter. If you're looking for the best water filter on the market, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this filter stand out and why it's a must-have for your kitchen. Let's start with an overview of the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter. It's a 3-in-1 powerful filter that provides natural mineral filtration and lead removal, ensuring your family has access to cleaner, safer, and refreshing drinking water. It's designed to fit your Pure Plus or Beautiful by Pure Faucet Mount water filtration system. Now, let's talk about the key features that set this filter apart. Pure is the only brand certified by WQA and NSF to reduce 70 chemical and physical substances, including lead and microplastics commonly found in tap water. Each Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter is engineered to provide up to 100 gallons of cleaner, safer water filtration, which is equivalent to about 3 months of regular use. Pure uses mineral core filter technology to enhance the taste of your water, giving it a crisp and refreshing mineral water taste. Installing the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions provided with the filter, and you'll have it up and running in no time. It's designed for easy installation, making it convenient for anyone to use. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about this product. It has received an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 31,000 satisfied customers. Many users appreciate the ease of installation and the great taste of the filtered water. The Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter is available in various package options to suit your needs. You can choose between a single filter or multi-packs, offering you flexibility and value for money. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best water filter for your home, the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter is a top choice. It provides powerful filtration, is easy to install, and offers great value. Plus, it's backed by PUR's reputation for quality and reliability. That's it for today's review of the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Replacement Filter. If you want to ensure your family has access to clean and refreshing water, don't hesitate to get one of these filters. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.